Learn how to make the most delicious French chicken and surprise your family. Let's start by seasoning 10 chicken thighs and drumsticks. Add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 crushed garlic cloves. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil to add that special touch and help with frying. Now, in a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter starts melting, add the seasoned chicken and begin frying it. Fry the chicken on both sides until it's golden and crispy. This step is essential to give texture and flavor to the dish. Stay until the end of the video. The result of this recipe will leave you drooling. Once fried, transfer the chicken to a plate and set aside. I love this recipe, and I'm sure you and your whole family will love it too. In the same pan, let's prepare the sauce. Start by cutting an onion into thin strips so it cooks evenly and releases all its flavor. After cutting, transfer it to the same pan where we fried the chicken to capture all the flavor. Stir well, letting the onion wilt and release its sweet and delicate flavor. Next, add 2 bay leaves and a teaspoon of thyme. Now, add 3 tablespoons of flour to the pan and continue stirring to combine well with the seasonings. Start adding 120 milliliters of white wine slowly and 700 milliliters of chicken broth, and keep stirring until the sauce thickens. When the sauce reaches the right consistency, add all the chicken back to the pan. Cover and let cook on low heat for about 20 minutes until the chicken is well cooked and absorbs all the flavors. Now, remove the lid and add 80 grams of heavy cream to the sauce. This will give it a wonderful creaminess and make the dish even more delicious. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and finally, a 1/4 of grated nutmeg directly into the pan. Stir well to incorporate all the seasonings and create a rich and fragrant sauce. To finish, add a touch of chopped parsley to give the dish freshness and color. Now, add 3 potatoes, a tablespoon of butter, and a bit of milk to a bowl. Mash everything until you create a creamy and lump-free puree. If you prefer, add a little more milk to make the puree softer. Now, just serve. Place the puree on the plate, add the chicken on top, and cover with the creamy sauce. This dish will have everyone at the table asking for more. The flavor, texture, and combination of ingredients make this recipe a real success. Before I finish, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite French dish? And if you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me. I want to see the result and hear what you think of this deliciousness. Now, just enjoy.